Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is October 19th, 2024, and today we're going to be diving into the latest Intel Arc graphics driver update, version 32.0.101.6127, and that is the Windows certified driver. Also, version 32.0.101.6044, and that is the non-Windows certified driver. However, you can still install it on your system and it's just gonna be normal. It just means that it, it hasn't been sent to the Windows um, qualification lab, so it doesn't really matter. You can still install it. However, this update brings some exciting improvements and features. All right, so let's get started. So first off, let's talk about what's new in this update. All right, the driver package size has increased due to the inclusion of the graphics driver for the built-in Intel Arc GPUs with the select Intel Core Ultra Series 2 processors. All right, this means better performance and compatibility with your system. So it includes both the Intel Arc discrete graphics driver, also the Intel Core Ultra integrated graphics drivers. All right, so installing the driver update is a breeze. Just head over to Intel's official website, download the driver, and follow the on-screen instructions. It's really that simple. Um, Also, one of the standout features of this update is improved game performance on the Intel Arc A series GPUs or Alchemist um, GPUs. So Intel Arc A380, A580, or sorry, A750, A770, etc. So whether you're playing No Room in Hell 2 or other popular titles, you'll notice a significant boost in performance. All right, and it's not just about gaming. All right, the driver update also brings support for the WDDM 3.2. All right, ensuring better stability and compatibility with the latest Windows versions. Plus, it's Windows Hardware Qualification Lab certified, so you know it's been thoroughly tested and approved by Microsoft. All right, so if you're using an Intel Arc discrete graphics card or Intel Core Ultra CPU, I highly recommend updating to this latest driver. It's packed with improvements that will enhance your overall experience. And that's it really for today. Today's video. If you enjoyed this update, hit the like, leave a comment. If you have a question, subscribe to the channel for more tech news and tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Peace.